Alright, next item that we need to consider looking at the questions is medical insurance that Mr. Shah has taken for his spouse and children amounting to 2,500 ringgit, and also education insurance for baby Alia 170 ringgit per month. So what eligibility that he might get? Okay, you might refer to table 20. Yeah. So look at the summary of table 20. Right. So table 20 is talking about education and medical insurance relief. All right. The maximum that he might get is 3,000 ringgit. So the maximum insurance relief that he might get is 3,000 ringgit. So looking at the total insurance that he paid is 2,500 ringgit plus education insurance for baby under 170 ringgit per month. So total per year is 2,040. So actually he already exceeding the 3,000 ringgit. So mean to say that he eligible to get the total maximum relief of 3,000 for medical and education. Alright, looking at the items given here, Mr. Shah also bear for his parents' allowances amounting 4,600 ringgit. Alright, so what will be the eligibility? You need to refer to table number 2. Alright, so table number 2 is either you taking a medical treatment relief, or you can take a parent caretaker relief. Alright, so this is a combination. It's either or. You cannot take both. Alright, so in his condition, he wanted to claim for his parent. Allowance is 4,600 ringgit, so he opt for this one. Okay, so the maximum he can get is 1,500 each of the mother and father. Alright, so total is 3,000 ringgit. So in order to transfer to the table, he only get a relief of 3,000 ringgit for his parents. Alright, to proceed, let's look at other items being given here, which is purchase of iPad of 1,700 ringgit and also textbook for children. So all these can be falls under category of lifestyle. So just put lifestyles items here. This summary is sum up altogether, textbook and iPad. So the maximum for lifestyle referred to table is only 2,500 ringgit restricted or maximum, alright, of 2,500 ringgit. So you have to search whether whatever purchases have been done just now falls under this category. Alright, lifestyle, purchase of books, purchase of personal computers, smartphone, tablets. Alright, so all this is you can get 2,500 maximum only. So for Mr. Shah, his purchase of iPad mini 4 is 1,700 and the textbook is 1,000. Altogether is 2,700 spent for the lifestyle. However, the maximum just now mentioned is 2,500. So he might just record it as 2,500 ringgit only. Alright, moving on. Another items stated here is Mr. Shah purchased a breastfeeding equipment for his wife amounting 880 ringgit. So you have to remember for breastfeeding equipment, it is not allowable for husband to claim. Yeah, so to make sure that you can get this relief, the claimant must be the wife. So you can refer to the detail of explanatory notes here. So purchase of breastfeeding equipment for own use for a child aged 2 years and below. The deduction is only allowed to exclusively for women taxpayers, not for the husband. She must be a breastfeeding mother and has incurred expenditure for the purchase of breastfeeding equipment for her own use to breastfeed her own child. So this is the condition in order for you to get that relief. So in this situation, we have to ignore this part of breastfeeding equipment because Mr. Shah is not eligible to get this relief. Alright, the next item that Mr. Shah might get a relief is on his children SSP and saving, right? So he has 250 ringgit saving of SSPN for 200 for a year, and however he did make a withdrawal assuming it's 2019, yeah. of 2,000 ringgit. So how we record it, alright, so SSPN 250 ringgit for 12 months is 3,000, and he withdraw of 2,000 ringgit for that particular year. The total remaining is 1,000. So the maximum that you might get for SSPN is 8,000 ringgit. That is the maximum. So for Mr. Shah itself, he just managed to get 1,000 ringgit relief. So the total relief of Mr. Shah's listed out here is altogether is 60,800. So in order for you to get total chargeable income, whatever chargeable accessible income of 69,200 will be minus out with minus with all the relief that you have listed on this now. Alright, so at the end of the day, your chargeable income, or Mr. Shah's chargeable income is 8,400 ringgit. From the chargeable income, you need to calculate the income tax. Alright, so how we refer to the table here. Okay, look at this chargeable income. Amount is 8,400. Okay, look at the 8,400. We refer to the schedule of tax rate. Alright, so 8,400 is within the range of the second one, 5,000 to 20,000. So the first 5,000, Mr. Shah didn't have to pay anything. That's why in your Excel sheets here, stated 0. Alright, so 8,400 minus 5,000, remaining is 3,000, supposed to be 3,400 here. So 8,400 minus 5,000, balance is 3,400. So you multiply with the balance of taxes now, the next 15,000 is 1%. Alright, so 1% multiply with 3,400 is 34 ringgit. Right, so the total tax is 34 ringgit. Alright, the next category that you have to consider is a rebates. Alright, if the chargeable income, alright, is less than 35,000, so they're able to get 400 ringgit rebates each. So since that this is assessment of joint accounts, joint assessment for both parties, which is husband and wife, so combinations of salary or chargeable income is 8,400, which is less than 55,000. So each of them managed to get 400 each of rebate. So total comes to 800 ringgit. So Mr. Shah also paid a zakat of 400 ringgit for that particular year. So this zakat can also be calculated in a rebates then. Zakat of 400 ringgit. So total rebates is 800 plus 400 comes to 1,200. So the total tax charge for that particular year for Mr. Shah is whatever total income tax that we have been calculated earlier on, alright, is 34 ringgit. We minus out with a rebate. The total rebate is 1,200. So the total tax charge is 34 minus 1,200, we get minus 1,166. So here, if you get a figure of negative, whenever you get a negative figure, you just jot it down as a 0 instead of, you don't have to put anything. Actually, you should put 0 here, or stated like this also would do. Alright. So next one will be last but not least, you minus out whatever monthly tax deduction being paid by Mr. Shah. Right, referring to the questions, monthly tax deduction is 150 ringgit per month. So therefore, 150 multiplied with 12, you can get 1,800. So 0 minus 1,800, you get a minus of 1,800. What does it mean? Meaning to say that you can get a refund from NHDN because you already overpaid for the income tax. So I think that's all for June 2019 case study of tax. Alright, if you have any further questions, you may discuss in our chat room or in Google Classroom. That's all. Thank you very much.